These are the swivel plastic connectors to shutters. This is the design. Now when these break into these tiles, the hard part is getting them out of those. You see that? So easiest way is to get a drill bit, get a propane torch. We're gonna get it hot. A little red hot. And then you shut it off. And then you come around. And you just stick it in there. Let it melt through, let it mold. And let it dry. Okay, so now it's cooled down. We're gonna tug on that drill bit. And it pulls it right out.
Super easy and efficient.
Yes.